1 capsules. You marry my head.
When you say no yali yo me di na chie me nya yali sabia papa bi obetumi ahwe ni mogya mu atu ni yali na sema
Ponte Divine Victory Hospital Fanka
amuso defo
na se me yade ya me moamoa me huya na me titifia wa hu eye Divine Victory Hospital for na wonom ehwe me o kokwa wonom a abefo kwayo mbefa so adanda wo ma yade na hyerom atu afru ni padua mu no enwawa OPD scanning machines awodro theater na feso yo pemfo na wo kwa yese ne bedanda wo na tenanta no wafa mu se pro Ultramodern sound machines, emergency ward laboratory pharmacy endru abomu masebe.
Divine Victory Hospital, wanum ed Dr. Wanwanso biaba. Surgery ahudro nyina dawaye, se bibi ato wo yafunumu na wo hia operation tentam so ni nyina obeye hernia fibroid ni nyina da waye.
Wanum ewo private ward won kwa obeda hodom na waje wayarehwe. Ope ayarehwe ewo fie nso a wanum ebeba. Mamiliki fila bi nkyrewe wo ye opemfo na be wuria ye chewade bebre adokita fo ne nurse fo so ani muti na environment no krampo saw yade
ene mama kwaji bisia bi na me fam na meta akiri
ha ho na wamoje national health insurance entitumuda
eno kire mo machi kwa wai
wonom ewo morning star quantempones wa chemuda ha ya
na me nya telephone number bi am from
0205 040 893
0202 171 044 Divine Victory Hospital Jariye Bejane
Minuanum akuafo ye mammo ani adwuma o enchei efri eye Jakwako Enterprise eko ede makuafo nyina Jakwako se we kofa bai enti wode manual seed planter machine ede free amanane ede aba enti wana wo ye kuadwuma bi te se enkate adua emo enkruma bro kakumba anase aduade de bi adua ne fombia manual seed planter machine ebedua de ama wa ahohare so kra ewo sima kotoa bi entem na bebo ho ban so efri sisiade efise enhu hia so bekuntum ansan wadua sa aduade de okuani a wo ye amufuo na adu penso a pesa wote no Jakwako se branche na oma motorized rice harvester na faten asundwem kura na negisem kura no se wasa wo net ho a obetimi de abo emo no ho ban se de be ye enoma anasa aboa bia entimi ense eye amufuo na waye no Jakwako asan awoso no biem entimi nuanom a moye kokofu na mo pese kokoo no eso eye pi na aba no so eye akese no bra beje koko set buffalo super asita star gali yara sasira kokoo aduane NPK fertilizer banjo 40 eni endu ahodo pi na eba beboa ayi akate ate isa koko anonom afiri ho na no panyina so Cocoa Research Institute of Ghana ene Ghana Cocoa Board age atum bra na ene ebidi kasobom a efa planting for food and jobs ho na mfasode pi ewo yesan ewo manual fertilizer applicator machine so ewo ho entimi nuanu ma pesa mde fertilizer egu mu fudie asiam de yem dwumadie beje manual fertilizer applicator machine na mfasode ewo mbebre Jakwako Enterprise bra na wo maun aba ye di dua eye entos moko jene ene ahodo bebrebe yesan wo asekan wo ho afidie kafokafo Wellington boot ene fidie ahodo bebrebe hwehwe Jakwako Enterprise wo new edibiase obehu ye wo Ghana Commercial Bank edan no achi mechere first bar stop adanse fum so ye wo Islamic Mosque ehwa asinda man so ye opposite agric office adanse asokan so ye wo ademre kwan so abroad de wani chire eye oboase no aye opposite Presby Church kaso anso obehu ye new market road mechere eye Coca-Cola ene nkasa wo 0243 335525 ana 0272736003
Wodi sa ya tienina sutumfo
we dia yo menno masanu bio
Mame he, edi edra.
eye chidie heba mixture
Afe no wahu no. Edru we na nano me dedem ha mintimi sorry. Me nom ya, mitimi sorry. Sadri, se ohonam eya wo ya anase ebia. Ope immune booster. Ni aduam ana etwetwe wo. Onom a utimi sole prekompe etu ya diase. Omunsan ewo ikunimdie heba mixture. Obi a owo stomach pains, ulcer anase ontimi ndidie menstrual disorder, menstrual pains. Edra etimi ne pa eye kunimdie heba kwa kwesi edu heba center for ewo akim asubua eho ena obehu wo akim asubua main station ope kojo drugstore ebi wo ho na natrimasi drugstore Madalena Hotel ase ope Abraya drugstore akim suad obi amoafo Kidnap Pharmacy Otiniba drugstore oyina ewo akim oda anase obefro di for kwasha ewo ahoma we 0545 595070 and 0247 037564 kwa kwesi edu heba center nubra ene hahama fie ene
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Papa told me keep your head up high. Even though your body full of bite marks from all them canines. Steady moving, I'm just living life. And so many people in my business, so many joking eyes. My affairs are easier to face now. In the front of my head, steady chasing my paper. Sipping my tail with no chaser. My steps are guided by Jehovah. I'm 44 looking over. Then no peace stop us alone. And every show is a short time. Cause I stand strong. Baby, you no go minus. Baby, you LME 9+. Big fish flow like the ocean. Oh, I'm one stand strong. TBG day my back up. Baby, you LME 9+.
Have a blessed day.
Cause I stand strong. You see the money and the fame and success, but you really don't know what's going on in my life. No pleasure comes from pain. No money fall like rain. This thing they cost my grace, but it's all love. My fears are easy as a face.
Have a blessed day.
Hopefully I no go regret them. No. Do your thing, make I do my own. Obini much nice empty. So daily I travel short. Intensive, breathing be blessing. I take a nail, then I'm learning my lessons. I'm breaking the rules. It's easy to question. I can't go to jail, so my time is expensive. We don't go outside, every day's our time. We dey shake few times, but we dey fine on God.
Baby, and there's is yeah. Today, tomorrow. Miss you, baby, and there's is yeah. Today, no fear for tomorrow. It's not some baby.
say mo bien. Missy mo bien. Missy got sent to me so I really want to close up the margin. Oluwa for what time I got it. In every day, just step on one.
Blessed day for me all time. Us a can't see the umpe. Oh, I love on fire, know what I can't quench. Another, over him or whatever you say. I go do one for you on time. Them say, man, I'll kill you, yeah. But you still they follow me, yeah. Us a can't see the umpe. Oh, I love on fire, know what I can't quench. Them say, man, I'll kill you, yeah.
Mama, you not like a savior. Through you, I elevate some more. Keep on tight, my boo boo. No hesitate. Me bad that you pull moves for celebrate. I no go ever dey pass some cool moves for pearly day. No get Benz or Volks, not the roll with Caddy. You no care. When I want smoke, you roll me Cali. You love real, me rather die. Honey, let's ride, yo. Even rather die trips, Bonnie and Clyde, yo. It's about time for calling me Brad, yo. You independent, you know I know about how many money they pile up. Taste unique, strawberry combined with vanilla. The love what I get for you, you blind like a tiller. When you touch me, now my spine, I can feel her. This love no go stop, you go always be push like shine for deliver. Grip is quick like a dime, I kiss your lips, then Tonana, superwoman with power moves. Michelle Obama.
Man, I'll kill you, yeah. Still they follow me, yeah.
Radio papa, abozeke.
Kwame besi mama
forever, my babe. Send me new beer, mama shit. Forever, be my babe. Be my babe. Forever, be my babe.
Uri kuwa bayo, the kasai. Sawani mi kuwa bayo, mi do. Oh, ayima.
Sumo ya mekane, osumba wana mekane. Uni message da. Oba mi nkoma ya mi fe. Oda makume mu fe. Mi shwe witi ya mi fe. Mi shwe mu na shisha. Mena wana ma menteta. Mi shwe mu na shisha. Mena wana ma menteta.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I tasty. If you say me take up an acoustic, I will Ahenkan FM 93.3.
Mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Anyhow you move, I go move, anything you do, I go do, sing, anyhow you move, I go move, family come, my curiosity. Tomorrow I will come inside your city. Go crazy, go jam, pretty, yeah. She dance my polka, yeah. Bit of fire bazooka, they under my cover. Follow the boy, we will spend the dollar, yeah. Girl, I feel your full attraction, I feel I'm for body, my body. It dey drum me closer, feeling it naughty. I feel your full attraction, I feel I'm for body, my body. Radio papa, abozeke. Thank you.
One day, I have fun, girl, I could pay. No go waste time, you share it. Nobody feel black my way. One day, I have fun, girl, I could pay. No go waste time, you share it. Nobody feel black my way. I look my watch, I just love time, who know it. I found love and it's okay. Anything, girl, I hope it. I did look my watch. I just love time, who know it. I found love and it's okay. Anything, girl, I hope it. and I can get enough. You're my charge. Get it myself, I'm falling for you. You're my charge. My charge. Ododo, ododo. Now you they make me feel like say I jokodo. Yeah. Ododo, ododo. Now you they make me feel like say I jokodo. Baby, every time is a good time. And I'm in your body, baby, check that. All I want, baby, I want it. I want it, but I want it. She said, for where I did, for that. Girl, you know I wait to blast. Time don't pass. I know that what you but I got the time to make you.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
And we drink up. Forget the things where they stress my mind. Make her ease up, girl, make you wind up. Put so many in my cup, make her loosen up, yeah. Girl, make you wind up. Forget the things where they stress my mind. Make her ease up, girl, make you wind up. Oh, no, no, no. Me, I came up from nothing. I did hustle my own thing. Me, I know they watch nobody. Only God talk come for me. Telling me I came up from nothing. I did hustle my
Hello,
own
Ghana.
thing.
This is your girl, Priscalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Oh, no, no, no.
So come and wind up your body, my love. You are the one that I love. Anything you want, you will get designer. Nobody can try us, cause you're bad and rude. Your body so good, make a man turn fool. Ay, 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 ay.
Anytime we link up, I legally want to ride, I'ma pull up on your drink up, but I'll be shitting out shy, Me not in a mix up, them girl are telling lies, I for keep a thing up, Lord forgive me if it's sky, Came up out of nothing, only one day above me, Charlie, know we were us, me I came up from nothing, I did hustle my own thing, me I know they watch nobody, only God talk come for me, telling me I came up from nothing, I did hustle my own thing, and I go punk one and shame you.
My baby Diana, she's such a fine girl with a little funny character.
Have a blessed day.
Oh yeah, my sugar banana. Baby, you keeping me wanting. No, I'm just addicted to your love. Diana, melanin tapping, step in the front, show walking. Pretty things happen. Whatever I need, baby, get in abundance. Yeah. Make somebody call me Diana, Diana, oh. Make somebody call me Diana, Diana, oh.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Tell me am I be one or be two? I don't even care cause I feel you, yeah. In care cause I feel you. Feel you, bella, bella, bella. I trap Pikachu, bella. Me and you, bella, baby. Post make a take a picture. Melanin tapping, step in the front, show walking. Pretty things happen. Whatever I need, baby, get in abundance. Yeah. Oh. Make somebody call me Diana, Diana. Oh. Make somebody call me Diana, Diana. Oh.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have a
Radio Papa,
when you see me for party, you still there for me. But when you see me coming down, you return your back. Make you know they try be boy. Oh, I got the feeling for you. Me I no be stubborn, me I no be careful. I want to show you sweet love. Me I wanna dance you can't gas up. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, you can't gas up. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, so you can't gas up. Man, them so far to find your love. Man, join your chin, now, okay, don't talk. Got me like a thief in the night, long jaw. But you know, say, all of my niggas, them ball. Nothing you go ever need at all. Man, join your chin, now, okay, don't talk. Taking it a break, I me, I know the rush. Maybe, if you want me, catch a rebel, my miss with me. Yeah.
Show me a jigger, let me see. Let me see. And let me see the woman that is with. I put a couple $1,000 on your wrist. What's on your wrist? Mama, they can't touch you. I ain't never see this kind, babe. We do some kind things, make me feel some kind way. You know I'm not just trying to get laid. Cause I know some kind chicks do it for the right pay. Baby, make a fire you with my machine gun. 16 rounds, I be King Kong. Getting niggas, I'm gonna do my brand new song. Baby, love.
Oh, girl, I wanna be with you. But you know they got enough time for me. I wanna live with you, yeah. I can't see reason why I can't let go. Girl, you never know, so you come back up. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, so you come back up. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, you come back up. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, so you come back up. Man, them so far to find your love. Señorita, mamacita, body bad and the craze for your features. Nice to meet you, Dimisika. Only wanna deceive on my future. Oh, I wanna teach your body a thing or two. If you know the things we do, this love in a be jump, no April Fool. Yeah, girls, mama, you me second 5-star boomba. Nyata kaba kaba miaka tamina ngobe. Oh my, ni boss, mama. All of my guys are thugs.
The mid-morning show, have a
If you wanna
blessed
give
day.
it up, but trap much for your love.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
That I got you, and they never been where we been from. Show my obsession when I put you in a right skirt. Shut up on my ride like I see. When you tell me what you want, but you fancy. Waiting on my ride like a taxi. I wanna be with you, but you know they got enough time for me. I wanna live.
And this is the song that is actually charting.
See reason why I can't let
Leading charts in Nigeria, leading charts in the UK, leading charts in Ghana. In fact, the song is going everywhere. And I love this song personally. I love the transition. Fox, 35 after 10, 93.3 FM, Juma right. Right, so we're here on the radio once again. I'm ready for you. And of course, this is a Thursday edition of Juma right here on 93.3 FM. Folks, Akwaba, Obi, I want to say, Akwaba Kasiapa. This is the best mid-morning, and undoubtedly, it is the best here in Akemodan and its environs. Obi, I want to say. Right, so music on the background, Kamido, and this is actually the remix or the refix version of Sugarcane. And currently, the guy is touring Nigeria. And hey, I hope you know what is going on, right? Yeah. You see Nigeria, and everywhere is blazing. In fact, almost all the radio stations in Nigeria are actually blasting Sugarcane right about now. And that's a big win for Ghanaian music. We are going places. You will get there most definitely. 19th May 2022. And it's 37 after 10. Wasugusu Awuti Ahinkai 93.3 of in case you just tune in. Jumedina Awuti, your friend Juma. And my government name is Jenny Mechampon Boat in the Cosmos. Call me Jubruz Money, call me Kobina Costi, call me Abranti Part the Perfect Gentleman. And as you know, I don't do this alone. So let me say a quick shout out to Mr. Charles. Not to pan here the first. Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabu, that's right. And it's Nancy Abusia from now to 12 p.m. And there, so Councillors Column will coming away. And funny enough, today when I saw the topic, I was like, hey. Yeah, so. Alright, so join the conversation via WhatsApp number 0594-841-044. You can also join us on our Facebook page. That is Ahinkai 93.3 FM. We stream live on Facebook. Join us live. Let's get interactive. Of course, it's a Thursday. So you know what we do on Thursdays, right? So Councillor Eden Buahin will join us in the studios. Yesterday was his birthday, and today is his mom's birthday. Alright, so let me say a very big happy birthday going out to Mrs. Selina Pong Dankwa. For friend Mami Fiapel. She is the mother of Councillor Edwin Buahin. It's mommy. Happy birthday and come on, Uncle Ponshan and your Kasiapa. Right, so today on Councillor's Column, we actually going to have a discussion on fighting in a relationship, and how to do it right. So when I saw this topic, I was like, hey, why, you people, why? Yeah, so fighting in a relationship and how to do it right. Well, I guess you are ready for Counselor. We are all ready to learn. Myself, we are all ready to learn as well. So stay tuned, go nowhere, stay glued to your dial. We're going to have a discussions. Alright, so I'll bring you our daily dose of motivations as usual. I'll bring you daily dose of motivations. As there's this thing people used to say, keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. Good morning, Swaman taxi drivers, Brad David, Apasco Raouf, MP3, Obama, Obatampa Jonathan, Stagawan, Tanko Ricardo, Buffalo Michael, and Bright Weezy. Am I ready? Yeah. Let's go. Right, so if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Anteten, if you speak F1. If you speak break, come po iteme, I was there. If you speak Frafra, I want in Grushi. If you speak in Zaman Cordia, Fanti, what's then? If you do speak Cree, I want to say. And finally, if you do speak Swahili, habari yako. Mwakwa bien. At the Bahinkai 93.3 FM. Good morning.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Say me I don't know, me don't know. Call the popo, me winnie lotto. Say me I don't know, me don't know. Baby you be miracle, you give me loving way I never know. My baby you be wonderful, you give me loving way I never know. My baby you be miracle, you give me loving way I never know. Baby you be wonderful, you give me loving way I never. Your love is spiritual. Oh my God,
you give me a chance to love you, I would overdose. To be ex, be the girlfriend. Girl, I wanna be your boyfriend. Can we go spend this weekend? Take a choice and watch me spend. To be the ex, be the girlfriend. Girl, I wanna be your boyfriend. Can we go spend this weekend? Take a choice and watch me spend. Hey, intimidate, I love you more than that, cause my ex broke my heart.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Girl, your love is spiritual. Oh my God, oh. Girl, your love, baby. Oh my God. Girl, your love is spiritual. Oh my God, oh. Girl, your love, baby. Somebody call Popo because she don't take my heart too. In case you wanna know, I say now my Sherry Coco. I no go lie you. All over the world I swear there is no like you. She hold my tie to us by missing this love not part one, you know get part two. Queen of me yard, she is the queen of me yard. So nobody disregard, and she a beat them bad too. Bring the alarm, sound the alarm, tell everybody.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Once
I forget in my brain, my dad. This is why man I don't love me, my dad. Omo ya me who meeting, omo pesa me who better me cry, but I promise my dad. Cheche flash and me pass my dad. Me didi me ina me dana my dad. Me da me be me nika crown so my dainty won't to me fa me share me net show so my dad. I find the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. Me pass so what dainty me say me re. Good night, goodbye. Me nyane chair, my me me muwe. Me chumu what day I chat for be re. Me pass so what dainty me say me re. Good night, goodbye.
No time for stressing, no time for thinking, no time for pressure. No time for stressing, no time for thinking, no time for pressure.
Charlie forget to walk around Kokoda. Oh, we can no sleep utipa. Na si roni bandage is a mine. Na we si rono ko cemetery hoko she wada. Ampa 4 miss course na mada. 4 p.m. me koda. Now you say oh we can no sleep. Make sure ke buntu kunya one and we be at that. Have the blessed day. For be ready. So what they intimidate.
You're too sexy, you're too bad, you're too naughty. Why that is so Pepsi? Me to talk so much about it, what you know? Me did it say, oh yeah, moment. Me to talk so much about fear. Me did it send to grab and see if it's a be a hobby. Georgia Muja, so some pony cash and what come and be a hobby. Georgia Muja, so some pony be mistress, na be a hobby. Georgia Muja, so some pony be mistress, na be a hobby.
Have a blessed day.
So I know, you know how things are being done when DJ Shabo is on post, right? Alright, so brace yourself for good music. Be ready for good music when this guy is behind the 1 and 2. Alright, so 47 after 10 is still tuned to 93.3 of Ejuma right here on Ahenkai. And of course, I am still your host with the most, and I'm seated, I'm ready to serve you with all what you need and all what you need to hear on the radio. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's jump to our motivational message. But in the meantime, let me still remind you, you can still join the conversation via our WhatsApp number or SMS, that is 0594 841044. Or better still, just join us on Facebook. On our Facebook page, Ahenkai 93.3 FM on Facebook. Just jump on the feed, leave your comments, and I'll read them for you, trust me. So if you know anyone who's actually celebrating his or her birthday today, you can send them through as well, and I'll be more than glad to give them a live mention on the radio. Rejoice Efia Bim, good morning. I hope you're good, yeah. Right, so let's go to our daily dose of motivations. And okay, young boy Rib now, Faye. Young boy Juman is a miracle. Picking at a time no day. Alright, so time no day, cry. Young boy Rib now, our daily dose of motivations. And you always know, our daily dose of motivations is brought to you by Khan Courtesy, Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery say obi na puma to fam obi a odi ne birthday, obi o person worry, obi a oye engagement. In fact, or wife be an ukun, or boyfriend or girlfriend be in the birthday, or person picture friend the man. If I choco, or by any needs come upon the amount, and yet the Omuyama rose in the beach, baby. If I choco or by the digital 1 pound, come upon at the Sashi passport picture, taking our yebi, offering so a check. Yencho dingo and him, Yencho Huni Pebi dingo and him. In fact, a check Yencho be nice upon the logo crown of a said the bunny man. Or Quania come upon them out. Watch more than here. Liberty Transport or Honor Behon. Patch off 0245 276638. 0245 276638. It's our pawn home. And our yah fro. The patch of Jumedia Bia would be obey here, say. We be count for Nidia Maudi. Men come baby near more boarding. Men come baby as a you. To baby in a pictures in the grand of it. Because you who be that. Ya to your book posy, now we get ready, and say there be. And never a photographer can't get ready, be our own map. The come cast me boy. I wanted the pictures in the Bible. So now get ready, we will cast or get ready, we will cut it at that cry. On phone class or casa, we cut it at that cry. Kokala Studios, 0245 276638, 0245 276638, 0245 276638. Friends, say, I'm on vibe. What else here? Call up so you the I'm go vibe. I'm go vibe proper. Right, so let's get into our daily dose of motivations. And I'll pay. Mrs. Success is forged into the fire of defeats. Success is forged in the fire of defeats. Now, Mama Charles here. See, sometimes you may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated. Yes. In fact, it may be necessary to encounter the defeats so you can know who you are, what you can rise from, and how you can still come out of it. That is what I'm saying. Success is forged in the fire of defeat. So becoming a successful person, it's not easy. Because for success, it's not on a silver platter, or does not count on a silver platter, right? I am the gold eye mfato ho de mayen say ansana sika kokko be sika kokko do ebeto hyen de bi be kawa ne yegudie ni ade de gu kon do efa gem ye polish no efa ade eyem ansana abeye papa enti no defeat bi a wonam no easy ema hu ni paban awe ana se baby a wodi uti akowura no problem no trouble na about so no ema hu ni paban awe what you say etina me say you may okay, so this one I was telling this guy say Charlie, the hassle for this Ghana say what ma woni anya dia utumi nya hwe ase kobna edi di ding edi na dem but still ye hu hwe am so sure chemi senia ni den hu ni fa and I'm sending okay kan ensem nyina address akwa de ni den kwa ofa nya hwe eni den hwe senia wo solve problem on ena chew ni pa ban yawo waja to money pan say ade na den oni pan say ade de obi a complaining but I don't know how do you get out of it how are you able to get out of whatever you are facing whatever office abe obstacle ade bia office abe ntwintwane mu anasa coincidence no how are you able to jump over? And since I will be a successful person in the job, enough of it entails a lot. The ups and downs. Uri, now it's Yashi, now Koto, now Chichebi Mufemuni Adia. And then I remember who's and Pauzu when near them, also Yebi. And this when in Yadi forget it. When in Yadi, Panama catches a Charlie, when in Yadi forget being a successful person. When in Yadina, see, I was sank of 40 as I say. Says ya baby Abrabona Bruno. I was said, you have to stop dreaming. You have to stop dreaming. Say, this is my dream job. This is what I have to do. This is what I must do. Bro, stop dreaming. Not for Jumadin and I say, you didn't fashion. Because you say hard work pays, right? It is one for Jumadin and she one for the and she man. Forget dreaming. And father. Sure, in this economy, you are still dreaming, bro. I will need you. It's a daily dose of motivations, you know. A Maya Angelou, or an American civil rights activist and a poet. I don't know, Troy. What says success is forged in the fire of defeats. And the many would ratchet my mouth. My cannibal Kodiyama say you may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated. In fact, it may be very necessary to encounter the defeats so you can know who you are, what you can rise from, and also how you can still come out of it. So these are the daily of motivations this morning. I'm crying money. I'm sure for 2 animals. But in the meantime, SCDJ group of companies are watching my boy Bompire. At the pioneer name a Bompire, so I catch him as a manka. SCDJ group of companies are watching Abu Bompire. The patrol say, would see me out, baby, the D. A Philly, Ope baby, the D. Our Sumba Joe. Office would see man pay. You are contemplating on what you eat this morning, please. Man, dream baby, because under SCDJ group of companies, they have Adom Sewa Kitchen. Adom Sewa Kitchen. So just give them a call from Keke and you'll be sorted. It's a Janibia Opesa with the Biano, Chamutum, Adom Sewa Kitchen. Opesa with the Diwo. I mean, they have a nice place, nice environment, very conducive environment. I've been there, Makoho. It's been in the America. A very nice place. I watch my boy Bompire. Wait till the boy I got now. Did August and August wait till no girl. They be a fire girl. Also, fire boy got now. Hobby. F. I have found the contract. And now no sonya ow ni bia. Ne bia sometimes the tables ma 10. I was just some tables no. They be one reason I'm from. If I try more Adam Sewa event planning. Adam Sewa event planning. And to where are you from? Opo be a planner for the man. In fact, Opo wedding planner. Now I call Adam Sewa event planning. Event be away be no. They will provide you quality event services. And now for your team, I cost you upon them. If I try almost answer what Adam Arakwa secretariat services. Normally printing, photocopy, ICT training, bookbinding, flyer designing, poster designing, instant passport, online registration. Group as I will check it or WASI results. If at online registration be up so you be a no call here. I'm sorry, no more. Adam lens, home year photo shoot, pre-wedding photo shoot, birthday shoot, funeral coverage, general events coverage, and many more. It sounds like Adam Sewa sound. What the sounds and what is it? Just a Timbaland sound, a Kosovo. And young Kofua. Oko form sound and a boss sound here, none of your continue. Shall we quit you sound here? Continue. Bassa. Nami Busami say, and I machine chinting yet in the sound. But I call Adam Sewa. In fact, you machine chicken now to base at say, president. Okay, Metro Booming Muma. Say Metro Booming so far the whole world on a kick mood me wa. Yeah, first it was Timbaland. Hey, my cancer no my camera. I'm no money we make cancer be. The battle from was 0241 298273. 0241298273 and that's 0256587895. It's a big school time, secondary school time. I used to have this guy. I want to kick pa. Sometimes not Timbaland. First of all, to kick na you attributed to Timbaland. So I say, hey, Charlie, some Timbaland beats I go here, pa. But it that's I go here. Fast forward, you say I am Metro Booming. It's open kick a board, pa. I mean, Charlie, you have no choice to go and download Metro Booming. On our ticket the baseline, papa. I did Timbaland in this service. Your Frau Amarita, Abu Krum here. No pay what to say. DJ Shabu Samimbusa, so what to say. So what did he? And now when did he? When did he, friend? Shabu, where's your number? My number. It's Amarita. I no pay what did he? And now when did he? Shabu say we need your friend on your momo. Osena man so say we refi 0249295740. Ah na meka. The friend on your momo is here. ODI Electronics. Pepper just say open quality and affordable home appliances. Baba Hinkan FM here. Oba na woni okutuba for be din komo. No na had you in charge of ODI Electronics. It is open deep freezer, gas cooker, blenders, kettle, washing machines, fridges, TV, I can see 34, 32, 54. No afraid pay for. Pepper prices are very moderate and affordable, and you can also pay them in installments and pick your item after payment. It's in a Brachim Abu Haya, number one stop shop for all your quality products. It's the 0550 900 600 0550 900 600. And I just said, no, Makoyama. You say, I'm in your cuisine. I'm in your cuisine. So, the Rivinia, the answers are open. Be the common, and I just say, Cuisinia. You see, we do me any just say, yeah, rather young couple. I mean, my dream is in cuisine. Or may a papa chin gusigra. A house of joy, entrepreneurship, and business empowerment. But all my practical trading, Edema, Mama, ready so monsieur honey making, snail farming, fruit ice cream, liquid soap, shower gel, tomato paste, and our face, no brown sugar, organic with the side near the ointment, manpower, mermaid doing in a tray. I watch him on the higher neighbors 21st May, and training eba so and I 19th so a chess Saturday ya 21st May and I just said New Apostolic Church war Achem Odan Liberty so and upon non 9 a.m. I shall see fees na 250 but your only registration fee be near say it's all about na sika show to 250 cities 2.5 million sikadada we will say my pen drive training manual na be e was so me but your oba men for scanning mo bi ansan twen na wo hu nipa o in charge na wo de amano we will say more boarding crata certificate and the 0246330509 0243660509 93.3 FM 3 minutes after 11 Mama Combra, right? We carry over this year, I think I have about 4 LPMs to go and Counselor will join us, right? Your bus is here.
Admission. Akim State Senior High School. Yasha Sia Yasan AJ Afofro. One we JHS. Oko SHS. Ya bie ya pro atoho. Ya courses ahodo. Ya business, general arts, home economics, visual arts, pure science and technical. Neti ya science so our boarding facilities. Ya wa special room. Ana enuania eya papa. Ya wa laboratory, visual arts studio, food lab. Ya science so our modern computer lab. Today now pe. So pesa utro remedials in swa. Ya doba function mu busum siampe. Na kwatro wasi na ubetwa ne prekompe. Ya wo teachers fo a wo munimu ade na mo chila ade a wo mo ho etwa. Awofo e ene ahwefo a mo ma antumi antwa wasi. Sane atie bia ma nwe ho fa ne bra. Ya bema na twa ne prekompe. Na ka ne hu se ye gusu a ya je afofro a wo mo eba form wide. Akim State Senior High School. Ya wo Akim Oda ya ben Akim Oda Ohima na himfie ne pe. Ubetimi afre ye 0556 409040 anase 0207163787. Akim State Senior High School, the greatest in the East. Akim State Senior High School, hard learning, easy passing.
Say open mobile phone papa and kwato ayusudia. None one big sound phones. Your original phones bia away say. Ani bono so afuye papa. Say open Infinix phones, Samsung phone, Tecno, Motorola, Nokia phones, iPhones biano. Pomodi na bra ya say na bra be to be cotton. Afa ye swapping. So mobile phone open so se sound near mouth for fra. Obape ye be to be mouth for fra no yisu. Afa ye laptops inabi or ye sound to laptops. Afa mobile phone no so nya ho how bia. Pomodi na fabula big sound phones. Na fa ye momo de repair mount. On the fuck I say to forward. Phones no so ni bo afuye papa. Any laptops ye repair any sound tone. Baby be wo ye chikwano. E of JB Abrosa kese nu. E boga fresh up. Wo be to me afre 0249653780 and 0248722049. Big sound phone, mobile phone and laptops papa. Ejosu.
What else? I been no feature. I be there one. Amanfui, Sunday watcher say, when you may radini, now you may defoni. Anunti Prophet Dr. Jonas Afum, Yabone Mrane Ekase, Odi for Magra, Ayebrimu, Tredia Ponyanko Pomba Sayadom, Ayina Maye, Omna May, every year how any Yamani, Ono, and a Radiana, Oda Safwa, Yafrano, City of Shiloh Prayer Center, Odifui Ababe PM, our Eastern Region Patemha, a Fiada Numrebia, Nunsia Pepe. Ekosi anumre nonkro ana yeshia awo Akim Abu Pentecost wo Yehowa beshow fie ho pe sala nso na adeakye a eye Saturday adopa no nsia kosi anumre nonkro odifo atenase ana ye friend special council 1-on-1 wanu ushia kawasam kire no na wurade nam ne so anyi wo emfamfrim awase wo hu your year of destiny number sala nso na wo destiny color ana wo destiny angel o sabre adwuma e wasa oye ene o sabre bofo a e wasa odi wachi enu nti na wiye mire nyankopon ayi odifo magra adona maye efiada nwumre bia odifo ekasa e wa ahenkan 93.3 FM so anwumre no ndu kwapem du baako wobetimi ni odifo magra adi nkomo ewa ahoma yi so 0244 575 200 freno na wone no eni ensawoso na awurade benam ne so ashila City of Shiloh's Prayer Center.
Classic ointment aye bio chromo half wapa na dodo no a ehunama toso fefefe sei.
Classic ointment se de sie nam no se ka se ye ka ho asoma ka de ba chi ni nwie ye kan fa manfo no won mo ya so mre ko pa bie de se ekro na gu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase na nim ekọ.
Classic ointment
de na eyam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ.
Ointment ne powerful pa.
Hwe ingredients ya wode ye classic ointment no ebi ne aloe vera, papaya, petroleum jelly, cassia alata. Honam na ni ba bia ekro pimples. Eyam ana propro aguo no. Eno an se anopa ne nwumre bia wadware wie no. Wode classic ointment no bi ebesremu. Na be hu se yes, ointment papa bi o ba bi.
Me the classic ointment esiesie me ho ama agye me se enye nanso pharmacies, chemical ne herbal shops.
Ane titru, wo hene na herbal koforidua. Frisia ba ko ensan Kumasi Edu, Urepash Heba, Okaishi Accra, Netufo so afre 0544 791 600 and 0500 799 833.
FDA aji ejedi nkratu yatu.
Minuanum akuafo yema mo ani adwuma o enchei efri eye Jakwako Enterprise eko ede makuafo nyina Jakwako se we kofa bai enti wode manual seed planter machine ede free amanane ede aba enti wana wo ye kuadwuma bi te se enkate adua emo enkruma bro kakumba anase aduade de bi adua ne fombia manual seed planter machine ebedua de ama wa hohare so kra e wosima kotoa bi entem na bebo ho ban so afri sisiade ho efise enhu hia so bekuntum ansan wadua sa aduade de okuani a wo ye amufuo na adu pepenso apesa wote no Jakwako se branche na oma motorized rice harvester ne faten asundwem kura na ne gisem kura no se wasa wo net ho a obetimi de abo emo no ho ban se de beye enoma anasa abo bia entimi ense eye amufu na waye no Jakwako asan awoso no biem entimi nuanom a moye kokofu na mo pese kokoo no eso eye pi na aba no so eye akese no bra beje koko set buffalo super asista star gali yara sasira kokoo aduane NPK fertilizer banjo 40 enu endua hodo pi na eba beboa ayi akate ate Koko anonom afri ho na nupa nyina so Koko Research Institute of Ghana ene Ghana Cocoa Board age atum bra na ene ebidi kasobom a efa planting for food and jobs ho na mfasode pii ewo yesan ewo manual fertilizer applicator machine so ewo ho entiminu anoma amopesam de fertilizer egu mufudie asiam de yem dwumadie beje manual fertilizer applicator machine na mfasode ewo mbebre Jakwako Enterprise bra na wo maun aba ye didua eye entos moko jene ene ahodo bebrebe yesan wo asekan wo ho afide kafokafo Wellington boot ene fide ahodo bebrebe Hwehwe Jakwako Enterprise wo new edibiase ubehu ye wo Ghana Commercial Bank edan no achi mechere first bar stop adanse fum sonso ye wo Islamic Mosque ehwa asen da man so ye opposite agric office adanse asopan so ye wo ademre kwan so abra de wani kire eye oboase no aye opposite Presby Church kaso anso ubehu ye new market road mechere eye Coca-Cola ene nkasa wo 0243 335525 ana 0272736003
Baya.
Yes, Kwame.
Me say, I know big man capsules are the man. My boy, you man passwama. Me yira come for me say.
Big man capsules, no. What ya do 3 points one parcel?
Enya grow ya.
Send me catch you. Big man capsules, dear a year dupa. A ye memma who you may ye titru. And a bemma why ye mera one parcel. Bearman hunquamosa. And in Yenisi ya. Nakai say dupay. A ye fine care limited. Omudik bedema garlic mixture. And a big man capsules. A big gaso. Nakai say bedema garlic mixture no ye dupo. A drono sa stroke ya dear. Diabetes, pressure. Obia mojentimin in more frisania ye. De wire titriti. Near when ya koma ya dear. Near the bushes no. Ye nitimoshino. And near was so person a suit here. Bedema garlic mixture no best sunny and when you man. Bedema garlic mixture. Aye the only mixture. Prakasa wom. Ubenya Roy Biato. Our pharmacies, drugstore, any herbal shops in Yina.
Achim Oda Ubenya Biwo, Oda Pharmacy, Nanachumesi Drugstore, Kenop Pharmacy, Ofaya Drugstore, Amoafo Drugstore, Walgreen Pharmacy. Achim Swedro, Nanachumesi Herbal Shop.
To phone fresh 0248 288 788. With the Magalic mixture, any big man capsules, Edu Panunie.
When we send your
say police in Yadro, Imbusaba Mesa, Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabeka.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready Pedriano Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamwa suing Yano, a boy who buying every home. And now Pa, Omuan Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep pinti. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esiomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to 0246 208496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA, Asayasi.
Hello. Wofa, Mekot Health College, Auma Miko Yenti, and me a medicine counter assistant, many a GE. Ampo, Sawu Pesa, we a medicine counter assistant, dear, and your name Mekot Health College, Anna Obeko, we a medicine counter assistant certificate program. Ye reschool in Suma 1 year where we MCA. Nanswani Pharmacy Council certificate. Nadia Ma one dance on the say, Pharmacy Council Ghana, and Jiwania Tum, na your mouth free IT training so eka home. Admission Gusua Ekoso, Yalutima Sanka forms. There were 2 campuses. Aguna Swedro, ya were Dakwan so, Kaswan so, ya were Congo Villa, our new market body as a quan so. Ubenya forms in be our campus, me and Yina. And I say, Mekot pharmacy shops are Hudwa, Ghana for 9 Bia. Near 2 campuses in Yina so, our hostel were hot, and 2 ni how cry. Nasa Wope in Rupanso dia, and Yanako Mekot pharmacy, a Hona Ubenya Nupa, Ghana, and Yamanonidia. Fre 0592 522 111. Ana 0244 640975. Mekot Health College, you say health knowledge is life's wealth.
Ago or dining in Potem way. Munya tsunami won sempebi de mamo. 2A baby diapers are namunim etwa de bomo mano. Say dear, yasasani di abeye next baby diapers. Na winim yasa shemukina ame kone nimujie. Esan cotton dodo e die ramuntino. O the next baby diapers ebo oba. Ojo so sign it to home for. Ensan se bia entingu ne to home. Won sum fang how. Oba ne ye so comfortable. Etuko chroma shensuo. Cotton next baby diapers. Fabe boba no. Nano hobeto ni say from. Ubenya next baby diapers. Ewo be bia. Ope dodo afre 0500285000. Na monsha nsuo. Ema mubu monsanso. Ye wo next sanitary pad. Ede mamo. Next baby diapers. Ema mofra hot so warm. Hey. FDA. After sa ejedi nkratso imo. Ajia to mu say eje.
I can't watch me fail. So anytime you pray, remember my name, remember you know what travel like. SCDJ Group of Companies, Apa, so Baba Boye, na ye niema bebre. Ye wo, Adum Sewa Kitchen, Sebia woo ye event be now penuania. Ye abrofodie, Sanso na Ghana niane, ni nanu ye, enya nunkwa. Sebia woo ye event, na open crofwa, ombe prani event no ediamawo. Ye wo Adum Sewa event planning, ye betanase, na ye honsheshe kama, ediamawo. Enya nunkwa, we are printing, photocopy, ICT training, the patrol book be na waye. Now pese book no, ye cover chire edemawa, poster be na pese we, instant passport, ni na me ye, online registration, ye be to me ayamawo, and many more. Oh yeah, birthday, now pay photo shoot, and I say engagement, our dear, bibia we bia, a yeno video ni na edemawa, event be a we bia, a year, SCDJ Group of Companies, and ye be to me, ye sign so our sound system, edidi Jumadie bia, SCDJ Group of Companies, ye wo abuabu bompaye, ubetimi afraye, 0241 298773, and I say 0256 587895, SCDJ Group of Companies, ya bamo bia.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
thinking for you for days. Ooh, I just want to say, my head, you take for my head. I know fit to reset, I know fit to connect. Waiting there, your back, say make a defend. I know fit to defend, even if I play defense. Yeah. I won't comport myself, I can't. I fall for you down flat, I fall for you down flat, yo. Go, go, go. Now who no but know you bad. I swear you bad. I swear you bad. No do me long thing, something wicked there for your body now. No. I did for the mountain waiting for so long. Oh no. My head, you take for my head. I know fit to reset, I know fit to connect. Waiting there, your back, so make that defend. I know fit to defend, even if I play defense. I won't comfort myself. I want you down, I want you down, come on. I can't do so much to meet you. I'm on the team every day. I want you down, I want you down, come on. I do so much to meet you. I'm on the team every day. And yeah, my wanna be Benji. I got me burning, do the new eye. Yeah, what kind of person? I know what's so no. Now so didn't come on there, say I'm having you. I'm a do my invita. And what's a parent? I'm a team, who I am from. I say, me dear, my wanna be Benji. I got me burning, do the new eye. Yeah, what kind of person? Yeah, now what's so no. Now so didn't come on there, say I'm having you. I'm a do my don't go. And what's a penny? I'm a team, who I am from. I want you down, I want you down, come on. I want you so much to meet you. I'm on a team, every day. I want you down, I want you down, come on. I do so much to meet you. I'm on a team, every day. Have a blessed day.
Hold on at me, I'm a chimney, I'm a miancasa. Madame last power, do well, many akata. Cause I bet me, I'm a Cheliana Mastaga. It's in a marco patch and Yamuaka, if I'm a Pentecost, Timber Bungo. Men are nanny the beat, Timber Sing, remember when he had or buy him in soon or Bani, Nanim done in an end to it's in my Yanya, Brana Yanya no Moshe, Brana Yanya against the phone and Tenayense, or that card and Ayense, Yahu of Nayantana Yenche, met to met you from Achimota to Lagos, the against the phone Kekani Bugos, over to Koros, but no messy yogurt, Makomaya with the intimate on the Yebunos. Africa the disappointed crowd. Africa yen disappointed back crowd. So last weekend the video shot video with the baby, right? So the baby had to fly from America to Nigeria and I'm shooting movie, But now he's saying all come back, He had to sort almost everyone at the airport. Asan Oko. Nigeria for taking. Hey, there's someone who's superstar. Hey, Charlie, this is Africa. He's even like he didn't come to Ghana. And can they check cry about Janso Oko. Oh, completely said Charlie, he had to sort everyone. Almost everyone at the airport. Asan Oko. It's all Kazane, the Bozu. Bozu next time can Ghana. And next time can't shoot with Sako the Stoneboy, Shadwale and the rest. Oh, Kwaube who says Nancy has a Kevin Boy about that. I think of 4G in the check. People cry in the watch for the Sacres. Well, more than 4. Care for some more. Nyame Adama 28th May, Bosumuya 28th. And can FM Yena Yawahida, Yaba Achum Asene online sports. I'm a friend of Miami Hill Pub. And I'm a Miami Hills Pub, okay? Yabaho. So you said 28th and a Champions League, UEFA Champions League final and so. So when you are coming rapping your jersey, rapping your favorite team's jersey. I'm a Madrid fan. Most definitely I'm going to rap in my Madrid jersey. Ejeni Musu a Liverpool fan. Kobina Joshua a Liverpool fan. It is a day na sani ho de Jojai. Yendi agro there because always can't so know about now new poke watches which About 28th, you shall see 4. When you say March, you shall see 7. By 4, you shall see because you predict a win sports quiz, rap battle, and then you have a course. So, team not up so you're part of predict and win, and I say be a rap battle, and I say be a sports quiz now. Go for 025 623 8713. 025 623 8713. Offer either Foster and I say Raymond and I could be a better. I know what in common. In Busa, I make sure. They be a mess now, make catch us a drawer. A boama immune system in your day. A drawer boama sabio, a DB a 2 more.
I said, do call ya no munchen anisa. Over job. Open bi throw be boost immune system. No be nya ho den pa. Okọ pharmacy bia. Obenye bia to. In fact, drugstore bia. Obenye bia to. Our friend 0246208496. And that's 0540710113. Imbus there. Yes, in chin camphor no. It be sure opebito about one boost the immune system now so nya ho dem apa. Amaje. Owoda abo Pinton Ponds or highway no. Or Red Cross Junction opposite of a green gas filling station. On a behu Amaje Eba Clinic. Amaje Eba Clinic ya bom samran say wire resefie. Also mo ade omo ye ho adwuma kese pa. Mo priority nyan say yare ani padi bu say we de bekum. Yare obi say Dr. Declare say kofie ko wu. Omo say fabra. Omo mo ana muntu yare na say mfama. Over my friend 0244877840 and I say 0205045665. Amaje Eba Clinic ana wire resefie yare bia fako no mbo Seahorse engine oil. Seahorse engine oil. If I just a would see me now a taxi driver. They say Obama ne Staga ne Raouf ne MP3 ne Weezy mo Brad David mo Ricardo ne Tanko. In fact Oba Tampa Jonathan winner. Mesha mon kope Seahorse engine oil na mon fengu muka engine mo. Se wo se san oil la mesha men kope abonkele oil bia. Men ko to de be ha na fe e chiwa kasi mi hunya nka mi ko to da ko bana kan bi. E ba cho. Ko diko ko beneze chipe. Mo so ka engine em police a. Ko beneze o se ko na me ka na em police. Patrol to me afraid now also can Seahorse engine oil. Say uchi private car, taxi, commercial car, as a heavy duty truck, sir. The patrol use Seahorse 15W40 and as a Seahorse 20W50. Uchi moto, Pragia, Aboboya, also then a Seahorse Special 40. The patrol for 0244 577 0244 577 0240 800 007 800 007. Seahorse engine oil, quality engine oil for your car engine and also your motor engines.
life? Why you wanna come destroy my life? Every day is fighting the forcing, every day is forcing the fighting, every day is fighting the forcing, every day is forcing the fighting. Give me a gun, fly away. Give me a gun, run away. Give me a gun, fly away. Give me a gun. Come on, wife. Why you wanna come destroy my life? Come on, wife. Why you wanna come destroy my life? Chant to them, bros. When I'm still again, I feel like Obi Busha say I didn't know prices. Nyoma bo akoso Ghana sa. They say guy be akwa sorrow ICGC catch say it is our year of increase. As I speak to you now, boys say Odakwele Busi here. Is it your year of increase or our year of increase, boss? And that's what Kasana tell you so yang baby was with me yesterday. Yeah, Busa said it's not my boy. It's because it's our year of increase. Boss, we see, I know, yeah, I must say halfway. I'm say ICGC for or way, you know, our year of increase. Boss, it is your year of increase, not our year of increase. Our Kolobus is here. He's receiving treatment. Oh my days. I want to address everyone. Yeah, the Sarah, remember. Yeah, the cake, la la la. Yeah, the Sarah, remember. Yeah, the so la la la. Yeah, the cake, la la la. Say I love you. I love you. Say I love you. Your baby she go give you bang bang bang. Walenko for kasa o grom hapa. Ko for kasa pa. Like how on earth will someone be bold, like have all this confidence and go and write on Facebook say a graduate is 10 times better than a billionaire with no degree? Like how? Say a graduate is 10 times better than a billionaire with no degree. What degree have I got to come in this fight? What degree have I got to tell you? Alright, you go now for you because go dinko mo ye dinko fu echi a. Nyankopon ya admo cha ma 100 cities warning will happen. 100 cities. It's about time 100 cities must stop behaving like 10 cities. Charlie, pa. Councillor Kwaba.
Yeah, Kwabna.
Happy belated and so.
Aye, me the nyamiasi pa.
Viaboko.
Nyamiadum viaboko.
Right, the nyamiasi. Your time need a kwan sir. Asa. But you share fighting in a relationship, how to do it better. And you know, me topic when I'm but all the same, but me mami can read bibia amode mami see me read we now for the young brothers. So say when it comes to relationship, conflict is inevitable, but it doesn't have to be emotionally distressing or cautious. Couple can be disagree, and yes, even fights while still showing compassion and respect for each other. According to psychologists, in fact, clinical psychologist Deborah says married couples who don't have any conflict are often the ones who end up in divorce. Relationship that can't be safe, a relationship where the flame has completely gone out or it wasn't there in the first place. She says when one or both parents are indifferent toward their relationship, they don't care enough to even fight, according to Gloria. That said, frequent hatred and hateful conflict is certainly not healthy or sustainable. Either can you have conflict with your partner in a constructive way and may actually bring you closer to them or closer together. According to a 2012 paper published by the Society of Personality and Social Psychology, researchers found that expressing anger to a romantic partner caused the short-term discomfort of anger, but also incited honesty conversation that benefited the relationship in the long run. Right, so this is all they sent to me, so I had to finish it fast and then I think we have just about 7 minutes or something.
Let me first of all, Mamenda Nyamiasi, yes, one pempen swa or the mere drew, Nini Penina and Yanisa, yes, say Afebako, Enra, or the Kami feel whom, you know, made Denyamiasi Cassia pa. Na mena at the phones was so many messages, so many calls because I may body na minui. Da obibia si nyamishia obibia na enen so no kese pa woman de owo me me maame owo me yes Mrs. Selena upon down kwa swedru obi anim se afre no mato yes maame efiapo yes so utimi a me ma no happy birthday nti me maame de kwabna me ye nura no na se ono ye yes
okay
nti nyame ehira ne kese pa no nkoso to ninkwemu ahoden ewom good. Now you want to use this opportunity to bless anybody what here in so far baby I would do especially relationship issues here they be discuss say you know makoma so de na me pai bo say as the person enra a market another era in my life you know should also be an era in that person's life say a bit changing if somebody is looking for a good relationship Yankopon use Sadia and fa insurano. If somebody is looking for childbirth, I mean Yankopon nam so and fa insurano. If whatever is upon anybody's heart, be o tie and biano. Me pese and then fa birthday way so emma or no in who Sadia no. Oh, Christo dinamo. Amen.
Amen.
Yes.
Amen. Kobe praise senior mechanical term to one time. Kobe, you see, we are out of time, so I have to
good. Kwabna, back to the question, and I say senior can I say fighting. Yes, Kwabna, there are always two things in this world, and I said there are two things in this world. There is either unity or disunity. When there is peace, fine. When there is no peace, fine. There are two things in this world, and your mom mienu and the was we are seeing and whatever adebaku adebia menu mienu nim say, and I will always fight for, and I will always look at and they say the only one side a peace a asumdwe ofi and na debia me no kwabna ye akoma so ade ana ye mfese debia de me hu ewufi then we'll forget about the other side. We forget about the other side, which is the other side near Sebia asumdwe eni ho. Kwabna Now, moving on, and I say, me means me. The me person me can say, Kwabna, listen. Ade woman say, you need to know the person very well. The entire ka say, a bringing us a hasty relationship, and I say, and penetration in 10 terms soon as you see a kowari, any advice against. I been to as you say, Kwabna, the more you know the person, a tear phone team yepa, so kosu ehunu nipa na be yes wo. So Kwabna, if you take time to listen to know somebody, so only obi ewo relationship mu na ukoso esuana na akoso ehwe no a ebeduru ba bia nipa no be yes wo adenti na make sa. It is because the more you are with the person, you begin to know the flaws of the person. And then you talk about it. And gradually, the person tries to move away from the idea wo penu. And Kwabna say idea memem penu. So who move your free no, then definitely you are becoming like me or more or less like me. If you say the American wants someone who won't pay. The American wants a mempe. And I'm trying to tell you, say free home. Into free one, it becomes an advantage to me. Sounds na also study me and also koso say oh yes oh hwemia. It gives you the opportunity. Emma also enyoma also won peno. Me be aware. It me free hono, then I become more or less like you. That is how the relationship should work out. Enti asema American say it is better to study or to be in a relationship to study and study. Kwabna obi between obi atena 4-5 years. Enya ne ye kan wase mo. But studying the person is another chapter on its own. Usunya obi and now study obi no. It is a different topic and I say a different school altogether. Because obi to me obi atna. Kwabna obi oye secretive. Unless say you go the extreme and say no be kan se machro. So be oye that extreme is for no. Se wanya de bi amana nkana kuma, she or he will never get to that point so be din komo bi achro. Debi ensi. And you can be in a relationship with somebody for at least a year and I say a year. The person, because of what attitude, the way how matured the conversation is, the way you deep, it opens up certain doors. And many partners open up a can some channel. So we are that type of shallow-minded and commodie. Kwabna se me kasa ankomo enkomo na no ehu. Shallow-minded enkomo for na. Kwabna, you will not get anywhere. And come na nipa na expect so oni ni bedi no ewe ni de bia it is more or less like medwene me ho fo ni bia Kwabna the person will never open up. Ebia no great plans for you but the person will never open up. Now Kwabna, let me come to what you are saying. Fight is never inevitable. And okay no you school see a boa Kwabna, it means a person likes you. Teacher Nina is trying to correct you. And it's only obi what relationship mu na say or can be not necessarily a fight, but trying to advise you. Kwabna, the person likes you so much. And I can't say or say in any relationship, sanyoma we na adon kewom no sister bra to adwunimu. So we yere hu say oh ye masem no feel on ka ho asem. Ye wo de ye kan say bia o hye baabi bo ho paye or baabi to enyoma yie afasa situation ho. That one is fair enough. But say Kwabna na ni tua ohun hwe no atwa fa so. O oba uye bibi ofie okun enka ho asem. Be very very careful. You should be you're very careful. It means or prayer wa tu amana na or prayer mo akotom na wi a wakata so na bibia to atwa. Sa bema zo tie mi a. That is the same thing your wife is also doing. So once you say no onfi wa and na meka no, you need to be very careful. Ma wani mra ho so. Kwabna, I'm moving on. The American say fight is not inevitable. Our relationship and tokwa. Kwabna de no tokwa. Ye kase ntokwa. Se me no mienu ye agree wo bibi so. Se me hu bibi na nya me fe. Na me try say me na me kan ho asem. Na Kwabna hwe o, de wo me say me a me ka me ho asem no. Enye se bi a me pe no ntokwa so o. But the ntokwa begins from the next person and I said the second party. Because Kwabna ye na obufu ye no manfi. It will never end up in a fight. It takes two to fight. Sana de bia ye kan sa asem no. Me hu ba ko fo a okunda. It takes two to fight. etiefo ntie nti nipa mienu na de bia omokum enti se mimi hu bibi no let's forget about the tempo a me de kan asem no it would depend on how we be responding ehon na ntokwa sha ase free etiefo tie me omuntie nie pa se me bana me bubom me kasa rough ni tietiem kwabna it would ntokwa ne be sha ase a it would depend on the first word, the first reaction, my attitude, and a beman to kwanashasi. Other than that, there wouldn't be anything like fight. In any relationship, you can't talk on one someone. Yes, it is supposed to come. But come nadia me fe o can say me say then na obi to me ka say a person with a graduate is then cannot be compared to a billionaire. Mami mani paninti as yes. Every billionaire can be a graduate, but not all graduates can be billionaires.
True.
Kwabani pani tiemia, me say the answer ni. Say every graduate can be every billionaire can be a graduate. Not all graduates can become billionaires. Ontie mi pa. Obo Dr. Despite D. Where did he get that doctor from? It is a recognized institution that is the man. It is a certificate in the man. I didn't hear for the new mapa. And I say me and I was listening to you now. Say classroom. On baby, you didn't have now. Just your courts now.
School.
Former and yes, school demo. A former education, you know. And no, your friend graduate. But obi or tenancy or then again tenancy implementing BBA. It is employing about 1,000 and over people. No, on the near journey. I'm now moving away from that. My main comment so this is it. Into the American say, at your 14 year, the American say, every fight, Kwabna, in a relationship, Kwabna, what I'm telling you is say, if I bring up any suggestion, any idea, and you don't support, how do we tackle it? Obia ohune who say every issue should turn up into a fight. Sanko for no Kwabna, me who the amen control. It is me na me who are from this angle. And I'm a deba. If you don't understand, if you don't get it, ask further questions. One way they solve a fight. No. Kwabna me na me who me Saturday fita. Also who ni tuntum. Adentina who ni tuntum. Me na me de masemba yo. Nya una ade wasemba yo. How do you tackle it? Is to explain to me why you also think say Adeni are black. And no, it is always becoming a problem in the house. Kwabna no pay make us say just because of chop money. Me say just because of chop money nti ene entokwesi
efie bi mu
bema ni hu bema bia no hu ne ba se ne ho basa se bia na ye ne fe eno ede ntokwa bi aba just because ni oba na na nkasa ye nti ede ntokwa aba. Kwabna those are mini and the enka ho asem. Why? Because the person is an imperfect person. The way you see things, yes, I don't know who. It just understand yourself. Now, Kwabna graduate as someone as my main so because of the near bio ye crutch ni. Na se oni a room, oni akumana kumemunu, oni bebia. Why not Jane say nipa no nenete in a relationship no oni bebia wana kumemwa or this nipa no ni mreyo ana ni sinto ebegua. Kwabna that person is not worth marrying or being in a relationship with. Etief wonte mi se oni obi wo empnatwem ana wadem na se nipa na kumemu no oni ba bia wetwa to ana wa reserve se miku meyere ni sinto ana ne mmereyom eho na mede saade ni ba kogu se ne Kwabna yete dem a ana ye ofia ye wo ba bia de baller ekogu. That is how relationship should be. Babia, you should get a place in your heart to put those rubbish inside. It is around us. At the time, you got a place in your house. When fiti prekope fadiano sebi sa wakum abwa bi wodem ekura na sebi bisa when tumika gidi anko to abontimo. Yes, you kept it on a dustbin. You kept it inside me who they make a polythene bag. Just say yes. These are some of the things that should go in because enya won ko na wote se wo wadwen se wo ne ne be kompena twe mu a ema ne ntie mi no mu ntie mi ye emema ne nso ntie no mu ntie ni ye se wo ne oba ne te se wo ne be ma ne te na wakoma mu no untwa baabia wo de beto a untwa baabi nsi ho anan ma se obayi ne mmerɛ yo ni sinto be ma yi mmerɛ yo ni sinto ɛhɔ de hɔ na me de saa de ni ba akogu then I focus on the better side of it. We are making a big mistake. And nothing that they be a didn't talk about because say what me yes sad na. It just say the baller forms part of the house.
True.
Baller it forms part of the house. And it is a baller na wo ukunu hono. Sa baller na wo yere hono. It should form part of the relationship. Come not I thought that was a pani out the palm there. Oh, proud them. No way who now friend your man. Now they are question baller. What do? You go back to the baller and pick it up. And then they ask me kasa be buompa. That is how it is. It told the bia send to kwane see you know. Anything they told am we have references no. No akai. Yes, me kai me ku me yere nyoma bi o yeah me this. Yes. Let me go back to it. Let me pick the good things in it. Let me pick the bad out. Na me tungu. Kwabna anti fighting in the relationship there. It is yes sumu kwampa